Ganesh, umbrella. Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Acharya. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. We are telling you one more fancy cocktail. And mocktail name is that coconut oil. How to make the coconut oil? Mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to add drops of ice cream into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze one fresh lemon. Just squeeze one. Okay. After that, you have to add some lime syrup and you have to add some coconut syrup. Okay. After that, you have to add some lychee juice. Then just shake all the ingredients properly. Then take any type of pencilers and just pour all the ingredients. You can serve with straw also. Then what you will do? Take a type of tall glass and add some blue cocoa. Then you have to add some soda. Okay. Then with the help of like bar spoon, slowly you have to pour the drinks. So that two layer will be prepared. Okay, then you can garnish with. Okay, I'm not having any other things. Just I'm garnishing with one garnish umbrella. See here, like coconut um, oil mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.